What's good, fam? It's your boy Gels, and I'm back with another video. In this video, we got a plug-in that's gonna take your bass to the next level. Let's go. Like I said, family, in this video, we got a plugin that's going to take your bass to the next level. If you're like me, that bass in your mixes is a focal point, man. I love to have my bass hitting. I love to have my bass cutting through my mix, man. It just takes those songs to the next level. And in this video, we're going to go over a plugin that you can use to easily achieve a fire bass sound, man. So enough of me talking. Let's head over to the computer and get to work. All right, fam. So we have Waves Rbass here. I love this plugin. I don't just use this plugin on bass. I use it often on 2-track beats. Just to add some more oomph, some more bass to the 2-track beats that I can't really control any other way. The Rbass is very simple to control. As you can see here, you just have your in. This is your in meter. This is your output meter, which is your gain knob. You can control the gain. This is your intensity of it. And this is the frequency in case you want to find different frequencies to boost. So what I'll do now, I'll go ahead and play this beat. That beat has solid bass already, but watch when I turn on this Rbass. First, I'm gonna play it without it again. This is without. This is with. Without. With. As you can see, it just adds that nice subtle oomph to the beat. You can make it more drastic. So what I'll do now, I'll go ahead and exaggerate this thing just so you guys can hear how much you actually can do. Let's go ahead and play it. Again, I'm at negative 8.1 intensity. Let's jack it up. Let's put it at 0. That adds some. Let's bypass it. That's bypass. This is active. As you can see, it's adding that super rumble. Right now it's bypass. Now it's active. All right, so now we have it at about 0. Now let's crank it up a little bit more, man. Show you guys what this thing really can do. Whew. As you can hear, man, it's adding some crazy bass, some crazy oomph to this beat, man. This thing is endless. So what I'll do, let me put it back around 0, and I'll play with this frequency knob just a little bit so you guys could hear that. It's at 80 right now. 37, 32, 'As you can see, this frequency knob will allow you to dial in exactly where you want that rumble to come from. That's why I love the Rbass, man. It's very simple but effective. It'll let you achieve not just bass, the bass guitar, but it'll add that oomph to your 2-track beats, or even the beats that you get, beat trackouts. This Rbass, man, you could use it, man, on pretty much anything just to give that oomph to it. If you don't have it, man, just give it a try, give it a download, play with this intensity knob a little bit. I guarantee you it will put some oomph into the whatever record you're using it on. Yes, sir. That Waves Rbass is fire, man. I'm telling you, man. Do you use the Waves Rbass? And if so, let's talk about it in the comments below, man. And if you do use it, how do you use it? What settings do you use? Let's help each other get better in the comments, man. Do me a favor. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share this video. Also, check out my website, mixedbygels.com. I'll check you guys out on the next video. It's your boy Gels, baby. I'm gone.